Okay, well, where we're up to now is this back frame. It also holds got the supports for holding the rear assembly on, the subframe on. So these were totally rusted out in mine, so it's all new from the subframe supports, the rear cross member, rear floor, support for the back seat, all brand new. Basically finished the floor bar, a bit of grinding now, so I just needed a spell from that. Now I've worked out the distance from this back plate here to this rear hole is 660, so I'm just measuring that up now, and then I'm going to clamp and tack this into position. So we'll just see how we go. What I might do is see if we can park you up on top here. Sorry about that, Chief. Oh, stinking hot day today. Alright, so I've measured this side back 660 to this rear hole and marked the front of that plate. I'll just do the same here. That's spot on. Okay, that's it there. Now how I'm going to clamp this down, I don't really know. Really, I'd love to get a clamp inside, but I might have to put some Tech screws in to pull it up. What I haven't done is put some well-through primer on it as well, which I will do. I'll get a good weld in there and a good weld there. That looks pretty good. I'll get the same this end. Then I'll put some Tech screws in here and try and pull that up. We shall see. Got a bit of a breeze coming through here today, which is good for the heat but not so good for welding. So we'll see how we go. Alright, give it a crack. I'll just bring the roller door down. I've got no show welding that with this breeze. I know what I have got. Great big G-clamp. Might even be able to put a block up on inside to push up against here to clamp that down. First off, I'll weld these two corners, those two corners. Make sure I've got my measurements right. It's pretty good. Just one last check before I put a weld on it. 'Didn't go to plan. $661. Perfect. good. Block of wood. Back ones are okay. Not happy with the front TSV up a little bit. I'll weld the one that is okay though. What I might be able to do is get it on an angle like this. No. Suggestions. Pretty close, but actually it's actually on there now. Okay, I'm going to weld it while it's there. I have finished the rear cross member, rear seat belt support or support bracket, whatever it is.